Hello friends, hello viewers tuning in. In this replay, I will explain fraction math made easy for students. Let's make it count. We have these two fractions, 2 over 3 and 7 over 4. And we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom. So we have 2 times 4, which is equal to 8. Multiply the first bottom times the second top. So we have 3 times 7, which is equal to 21. Now just add those two numbers. So we have 8 plus 21, which is equal to 29. Multiply the two denominators. So we have 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. And that is all. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share the good videos.